Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we are going to start question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Now in number 1, 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. Here we have to compare the two exponential form are given. Which one is greater? Alright, so here we have got the two ways of identifying the features, identifying the exponential form, which one is greater. So in order to do that, we can do one thing. The one thing is, first 4 to the power 3 can be converted into its normal value. Alright, standard value, that is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, right? Now 3 to the power 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s is 81. So you can see here that of course compared to 64, 81 is greater. Yes, so 81, or you may write 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. Right, so this is one way of doing. Now I'm going to show you the another method also. The another method is, just have to remember this point. This is a trick here, that whichever base among these two, that is the base here are 4 and 3, whichever base has got the greater exponent will be greater number. So when you compare the two base, that is 4 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 4, of course 4 is greater, the exponent 4 is greater, so we will write here 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3, because we can directly compare like this also. Having base smaller and the exponent larger will be considered the greater one, right? So this is sometime not usable, so you can use in such cases. Okay, so because we can write in 3 to the power 4, exponent 4 is greater than exponent 3 in case of 4. Hence we can say that 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 cube. So you gave the verification also that 3 to the power 4 is greater compared to 4 cube. Why? Because when you expand this number, you will get the value 81 for 3 to the power 4, and 4 for 4 cube you got 64. So when you compare, of course 81 is greater. 81 means it is 3 to the power 4, and 64 means it is 4 cube. Hence 3 to the power 4 is greater. And in another side, other way, that is whenever you have the exponent greater compared to the other base, then we will say that the exponent having greater number will be the larger number, will be the greater number. Okay, so let us have a look with the next question also, that is number 2. 5 cube or 3 to the power 5. So here you can easily detect that 5 comparing two base, 5 exponent is greater, the exponent 5 is greater, so hence we can write that 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 cube instead of multiplying and all. Or you can also go for this expanding form. 5 cube, when you expand this, you'll be getting 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s is 25, 25 5s is 125, right? Of course. Now when you expand this 3 to the power 5, you'll be getting 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3? 5 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Now when you expand this, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and 81 3s is 243. 243. Now you can easily compare. 243 is greater than 125. So you can write here 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 3, right? So this is the two way of finding out, right? Whichever you feel easy. Sometimes this may not use, so this may be time consuming, but this may be not profitable sometime. So both methods should be learned. Both method you can verify in your copy. Okay, Proceeding to the next one, easily you can see here that 8 exponent compared to the base 8, right? It is far compared to the other exponent, that is 2, is far greater than 8 square. So 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 square. If you expand this, you will get the verified answer also. All right, the last one, I don't think it is the last one, second last one, 100 square or 2 to the power 100. So 100 into 100 is 10,000, right? 100 into 100 is 10,000. And when you go for 2 to the power 100, it will be like, crossing the boundary. You will not be able to solve it. So when you expand at least for 10 times only, I hope you will get the value, or more than 20 times you'll get the value. So easily you can compare here that when you compare this 100 square and 2 to the power 100, that means here the base, when you compare the two base exponent, the larger exponent will be the greater value. That is 2 to the power 100 is far greater than 2 to 100 square. Okay, so I hope you understood. So sometime we will not be able to perform some multiplication. So in certain case we can apply the logic, but in some case you may go for multiplication directly. You can verify your answer in such manner. Okay, so the last one, number 5, I would like to request you all to do it yourself. Okay, today I'm also going to solve question number 5, that is, express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. So I know that prime factorization is not new term to you all. That is, we have done this prime factorization, that is using the prime numbers, the dividing or the LCM should be done, right? So 648 first of all. So starting with the smallest prime number, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now you know that 81 is not divisible by 2, so I'll be going for the next number. 3 27s are 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and finally 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 24. So if you multiply this, you are going to get 648. So what is the prime factors of, they have said that to convert this into the product of its prime factors, right? So let me convert this to this side. Okay, so you will write prime factors of 648 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are there, and now 1 2 3 4, 4 3s are there, 1 2 3 4. Now if I have to they have said the product of powers of their prime factors, right? So how many 2s are there? 3. How many 3s are there? 4. So the value is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 will be representing the 648, which is in its prime form, prime factors form. So similarly we will be solving the next one also. So let me take this space out here for 405. So 405, you all know that it is not divisible by 2. So I'll be going for the next number, that is 3, right? So 3 1s are 3 here, 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So it is 3 1 35s. 3 1 35s. Now next number, again let me divide with 3 only. 3 3s are 9, sorry, 3 4s are 12 can be done. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 3 45s can be done. Now 3 15s is 45, 5 3s is 15, and 3 1s are 3. So we got the value, that is, how many 3s are there? Prime factors of 405 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This 3 also I have written according to the sequence we have to write. So it is 5. Now how many 3's are there? 4 3's are there. 3 to the power 4 into 5. So what are the prime product of the power of prime factors of 405? It is 3 to the power 4 into 5. You may get 5 into 3 to the power 4 also, that will be correct, as because here also the commutative rule follows. Okay, so proceeding to the next one. For 540, similarly here we have to do the next the process which we have applied, so I want you all to do it yourself. Okay, the last one, question number 4, let's do it right now only. This is a large number, so I'm doing here only. I'll be using the smallest prime number. 2 18s are 36, 00 2 00, 2 9s are 18, 900s are right. So 2 45s is 90, so 250 in 2 into 50, 2 into 450 is 900. Next 2 cannot divide. Yes, 2 can divide, right? So it is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, again 1 here, 2 5s are 10. So it is 2 into 225. Next, now 2 cannot divide 225, so I'll be going forward with the next prime factor, that is 225 divided by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 into 75. Now next 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what is the number? The number here we have is 2 4 times. Let me write. Prime factors of 3600 is equal to 2 how many times? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2 times, and 5 2 times. So what is the way of expressing 2 to the power 4, right, into 3 2 times into 5 square, 5 2 times. So this is the way of representing in the prime factors form. So I hope you people understood. This is the way of doing, right? So this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.